What's up guys, Ad Fernandez. This is the before haircut. On this tutorial I'm going to bring you guys a kind of like a mohawk with a little bit of burst fade. We're gonna start combing the hair down. He wants the sideburns to show like a pointy. He doesn't want to touch the top of the hair, and he wants it pretty high up, like a 1.5 all the way to the top, not going in. I'm gonna start using the Andes T outline blade. We're gonna go around the ear, and then we're gonna use the Andes Masters on the open position, about half of the size of the blade, and we're gonna create our second guideline. Now we're gonna be using the corners of the blade only throughout this area. So now we're gonna close the masters on the closed position, and we're gonna start working our way up what we did with the Andes T outliner. As you can see, especially around this area, since we're going around the ear, we're gonna use the corners of the blade only. Now what you do on one side, you're also gonna do on the next. On this video, my camera decided to die, so I'm only gonna show you this one side, but make sure that you do the same steps on the next side. Now the Andes Masters on the halfway position, and we're gonna keep working our way up using the corners of the blade. Make sure you're always coning the hair. Now this is the number 1 guard, and almost on the closed position, like 1 notch open. And we're gonna create another guideline about the size, half of the size of the blade. Make sure that we are cutting against the grain. Now with the same guard, number 1 guard, on the open position, we're gonna take it almost to the side, all the way to the top. Make sure that you're not going into the crown area. Remember, he wants to, in this haircut, he wants to leave the top grow. So we just kind of blending it by coming out of it, like a C motion. Now the 0 guard, almost all the way close, 1 notch open, and we're gonna go right back down to what we did with the 1 guard. Zero guard, open position, using the corners a lot of the blade. Keep working our way up. So here we're gonna use the Andes Masters only with the blade, and we are gonna do some cleanup work. We're gonna start on the almost closed position, using the corners only, and we are taking care of the darker little spots that you see. You could open it as desired, and close it depending on where you want to take a little bit of bulk or a little bit of darker spots, using the blade only, just the corner of it. Here with the Andes T outliner again, we're gonna start creating the outline. Remember, he wants the sideburns darker. This is why we did it like this on the beginning. Keeping the headline as natural as possible. Sorry about me being on the weight there. Now I like to always start right on the middle of the hairline, right in the middle of the forehead, and working our way out, keeping it as natural as possible. You could actually lift the hair up if you want to kind of see what the hairline is. And all we're doing is marking the hairline. Here we're gonna give the back of the neck that V shape, again keeping it as natural as possible. So now we're gonna do use the Tune 45 razor. I have a Dorco prime blade, and we're gonna do some cleanup work on the edge that we created. I'm using the Tune 45 shaving gel here. Very awesome and cool gel. I like it a lot. Remember, we're not creating new lines. We're just cleaning out what we did with the TL line. Now right after that, what I did, I actually picked the hair up a little bit, and then I'm gonna use this twist sponge and just twist the hair a little bit. Pretty much that's it. This haircut is very easy, very simple if you follow the steps. If you have any questions, guys, hit me up. You can follow me at A_B_Fernandez on Instagram. You can shoot me up a text here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, turn your notifications to on. I am actually here to help you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more to come, and I'll see you guys around.